trees and one.
Yeah.
And so he just tinkered on it for the last, I don't know how many years, you know, take parts on and off, and it just kept him busy doing it, you know, and stuff. But he had it way before we got married. I mean, probably 10 years before we got married.
We right?
Yes, it is. So,
Did it run pretty good?
Yeah, she was out pulling wheelies with it last week.
Yeah. With no pipes.
You need pipes to pull wheelies.
At least that wheel turns.
This one don't turn.
Yeah.
What, you gonna make it a street bike?
Yeah, I'm just gonna play around with it.
Yeah.
Can make it. So we're rescuing this 1972 Norton motorcycle. It's been sitting for years in this garage. Guy had it. Was going to restore it and never got a chance to get around to do it. He's still alive. He just got Parkinson's. So Jim's getting it and he's going to do something with it, I guess. It's got keys, it's got title. So just a quick video on a 72 Norton. It might end up at my place. I don't know. Wheels roll and everything. So, is it locked up? Yeah, it's locked up. It won't kick over, that's for one thing.
Is it in gear?
No, I think it's locked up.
Let's see.
I'll hold it, you try and kick it. You got to put some Marvel's Mystery Oil in that. Oh, there it goes. You got to put some ump in it.
Yeah.
Well, that's good.
And see this being a different color. I wonder if this has got one of the other edges. I'll have to research that.
Well, let's see if we can get it loaded then.
See, this is hydraulic.
That's the front brake.
That's because it's disc.
Yeah, it don't have a caliper on the front. I wonder if it got the caliper here.
I don't know. How you gonna get it off that jack?
Oh, it'll come down. So here it is, 1972 Norton 750 Commando. Kicks over. I am. It's got compression. It's got the right side shift with the brake on the other side, which is weird if you're used to riding the opposite. So it's gonna need restoring. Clutch works. And I wanted them the original miles.
How many's on it?
7,000.
Probably.
Yep. Got the old teardrop headlight.
I wouldn't think it's got 107 on it.
It's gonna need carb clean, basic cleanup. So we also got the Commando 850 and 750 workshop manual, and this tells all the types, all the models. It's got it's pretty cool to see all this literature. These are all the ones they made. The Interstate, the Roadster, which what that one is, High Rider Interpool Fastback SS S-Type Fastback LR. And this is a very valuable manual that you probably wouldn't see with none of these bikes. This is a whole shop manual. I mean, I'm pretty sure you can probably get one off of eBay, but to get the book with the bike, that shows all the pipes. And then this is a rider's manual. I guess this tells you how to ride it since it's got right side shift. So, deals. Deals. Alright. 72 model. Been sitting, how long do you think it's been sitting? Did she say?
I'd say at least 10 years.
Yeah. Looked like it was outside at one time.
Oh, man.
Yeah. Good new car. So, y'all just keep looking out. We might see this on the channel one day or another or sometime. We'll see Jim riding it. With his aviation glasses on and the helmet with the spike on top. Amazon. Alright, y'all.